Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Konga. It's a very simple and quick step. So without further delay, let's dive right in. So first thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap in Konga online work log in, and here make sure you tap into the official page, which is this one. Let's tap in here. It may take a while. So you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is tap in your email, and at the second field you can tap in your password. So if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that is forgot password. You can simply tap into that and it will help you through. So I'm hoping you have a Konga account, but if you do not have one, you can create one by tapping in this option that is create account, and you can create a new account. So since we have already tapped in our credentials, we can simply tap in that pink button that is log in, and you will be logged into your Konga account. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.